What's up? What's up? What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Juan and Jaden channel. Before I get into this quick little unboxing and review, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, please. All right, let's get into this here. So, as you can see from looking at the box, you can tell this is a Jordan shoe. So, this is, so you can see, Air Jordan 5, the retro, size 14. All right, let's open this up here. Now, I will tell you, when I took this out of the regular box, it's the shipping box. It smelled horrible. And opening this box, the shoe box, it smells really bad. I don't know, is that glue or what? It's a very strong chemical smell. Very strong. Very, very strong chemical smell. So here you go. All right, you got the icy bottom here. Of course, Jordan. Got the air bubble there. You can see right through. You can see the pillars in there. All right. You know, sometimes some of these retro sneakers, it seems like Nike must have rushed to push the stuff out. Sometimes the paint is horrible, but they got the painting looking pretty good there. It's not as straight there, but it's cool. All right, you got this little plastic mesh here. You got the 23. All right, you got the Jumpman on the back. All right, you got the real thick ankle cushions here. So the inside of the shoe, there you go. You got the reflective tongue. You got the lace locks. Never been a fan of these, actually. These are probably my least favorite Jordans, but I ordered them just so I can flip them right quick. Just inside the tongue there, you got it where it says Air Jordan. Shoe is quite heavy. Unlike shoes of today, this shoe is quite heavy. So you got the red nubuck. Actually, I don't think it's the original type of nubuck like it was when it first came out. I think this is synthetic. Yeah, I definitely don't think this is legit. I think it's synthetic. You know, back in the day when these originally first came out, it was actual real nubuck. Like, not nubuck, but like suede. Yeah, I think this is more synthetic type of suede. Here you go. But this shoe is actually quite heavy. Very heavy. Very, very heavy. And it smells horrible. I'm telling you, it really stinks. It smells bad. It's such a strong chemical smell in this shoe. I don't know. I did try this one on. It is, you know, comparing it to shoes of today, like if you're comparing it to the LeBrons or even the Jordans that come out now, those are much more comfortable than these. Not only these heavy, but it's really hurt your feet. Yeah, but hey, people like these retros, so I ordered them just so I could flip them right quick, and that's exactly what I did. Yeah, you got the plastic mesh right there too. You got the red shoestrings, the darker red than the rest of the shoe. There you go. I do like the bottom though. This was one thing, even when I was a kid, when these came out, I always liked the bottom of the Jordans like this, the icy sole here, but they turn yellow so quick. But I guess from what I've been seeing on YouTube now, you have people that know how to turn it back icy after it turns yellow. The paint does look pretty good though, compared to some of these other retros I've gotten. I guess they took their time with this. I had some that were like a kid painted the shoe, painted the soles, but this looks good. Definitely looks good. All right. Well, there you go, guys. Quick unboxing of the Air Jordan 5 Retro. All right. Peace.